The protesting farmers have called for Bharat Bandh today, and they have also asked people of India to support them. And more than 20 political parties have basically extended their support. Right now, I'm standing at the CST station. Behind me, you can see this is the CST station. And if I show you the visuals of the CST station or in the South Mumbai, that this Bandh has not got a good response, because you can see that a lot of people here are coming from the CST station. They are standing in a queue of bus, the taxis. The Kali Pili, Mumbai's iconic Kali Pili is walking. You can see the private cab that is also flying. If you see the PST buses, you can see the PST buses are also flying. So the Bandh has not got a good response, at least in Mumbai city, and it was expected, because yesterday when we had word with the players, or we can say the organizations of taxi union or the organizations like BMC, they clearly say that they have not given any kind of a call, including the BST buses. They have not given any kind of call, and the management of BST buses, which is basically a BMC, usually in such scenario or in similar condition, BMC never calls for any kind of call. So you can see right now also the BST buses are flying, and they are flying with the full capacity. These are the new electric BST buses. And the scenario here at the CST station, you can see that people are basically coming out of the CST station. So it means that they are travelers, either they are travelers or the office goers. They are attending their offices. This particular Bandh, which was called by the farmers, protesting farmers who were protesting at the Delhi against the farm laws which have been passed by the parliament in recent past, they have got the backing or the support of more than 20 political parties. Here in Maharashtra, all three political parties, that is Shiv Sena, BJP and NCP, all three of them have shown their support to them. But yesterday's comment of Sanjay Raut was, if you could hear, if you could remember that comment, that Sanjay Raut had clearly said that this is not a political Bandh. This is a Bandh called by the protesting farmers, and today even Uddhav Thackeray, the Maharashtra CM, feels that everyone should support this Bandh, because this is the time to show our support for the farmers, because throughout pandemic farmers were working, and everyday farmers work for people like us so that we can get food on time. So this is the time to show the solidarity with them, and that's why we ask people of Maharashtra to come out and give them support and support them or support this Bandh. But it clearly said this is not a political Bandh called by any political party. So this statement is quite evident in such manner. But if we talk about cities like Mumbai, yes, there will not be any impact on Mumbai city, as I'm showing that these are the visuals from the CST station, which we are bringing you from South Mumbai, and everything looks normal as of now. But what are the events which are likely to take place in Mumbai? There are a few bike rallies have been organized by the private organizations. There is a bike rally, there will be a corner meeting by a few political parties like CPM, CPIM. That will also happen. But the main focus this Bandh would be in the rural area. Yes, if we talk about rural areas like Nasik or the Pune rural area, which is also regarded as a farmer's belt or the milk producing belt, because in the past also we have seen whenever the farmer agitation has happened in these particular areas, we have seen the impact, the most impact which has happened, because the farmers from these particular areas do participate in Bandh and try to make it successfully. So when we had word with the farmers leader yesterday, or we can say throughout day, they clearly told us that they are concentrating more on the rural areas like Nasik, Ahmednagar, also Pune city and the market yard, and that will be their point. If you talk about Mumbai, yes, APMC markets are closed of Navi Mumbai, because they have given their support. All India Banking Federation, All India Banking Employees Federation have also extended their support. So it is likely that the functions of a nationalized bank, at least in Mumbai, may see some kind of effect, because most of their employees are members of All India Banking Federation, Employees Federation. Also, the private transporters, that is bus, truck and tempo, their association have also shown or given the support to the farmers, protesting farmers. So these private vehicles or the commercial vehicles, to be more precise, will also not, like today, they will also not give their services. So there's a limited, we can say, support which this Bandh has got, at least in Mumbai. But yes, if we talk about the rural part of Maharashtra, it is expected that we can see some kind of action there, because even the Farmers Association, farmer leaders are trying or focusing there in the rural area. As I said, it will be Nasik, Lasalgaon, Ahmednagar's Akole city, and also Pune city, Pune city's market yard, and then in Pune district. So the farmer leaders, the farmers are expected to gather more in number in these areas to protest, or we can say to show solidarity with the farmers who are protesting in Delhi against the farm laws. This is Mayuresh Ganpate for Mirror Now from Mumbai.